Aidan's getting his first project.
There's only like 500 Rangers that have it.
92 Ford Ranger extended cab. Frame's been sampled. Hey, Quinn.
Woo! The 92 is finally getting a home, and I couldn't be happier. It's gonna be great.
So what do we have here? It's a 92.
92 Ranger extended cab. It blew out the rear main seal in the old motor like 3 times, and I just said forget it. It's been sitting here for probably about 20 years. Had plans on redoing it. Yeah, it's not gonna open. Yeah, it's
the bed up there.
Yeah, the bed's up here.
Not a lick of rust on this thing, man.
Oh yeah, there's no rust on it.
This thing is beautiful.
Yeah.
No rust.
The original dash here as well. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Even though it got the Velcro for that custom cover.
Oh, that looks nice.
From
and it's not
Advanced Auto back in the day.
It's not all cracked. This is nice.
No,
it's real nice.
Okay.
But yeah, got the frame, and you said you sandblasted the frame.
Yeah,
I mean, obviously it's been sitting. It's got a little bit of
sandblasted in. It's got it was pour 15, so
this frame is. I mean, it's beautiful condition. Look at that. That's fucking beautiful, man.
Yeah, it's got a lot of dust on it, but
but look, I mean, you can see like it's just that's perfect.
And this right here, these are lowered I-beams with 93 through 97 spindles. And there's a custom hub assembly that he's gonna have, and you'll be able to run Mustang, like I think 13-inch rotors.
Nice.
With the calipers on this, so it'll take a little bit of work to get that going.
And these are dropped I-beams.
These are dropped I-beams and drop spindles, so you're probably gonna get about 5 to 6 inches in the front drop from stock, which was already a little low to begin with.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Which look at that smile. Look at that smile. He's happy. This is his first project. We're gonna put this thing together. What a great friend Quentin is. Wouldn't you agree?
Fantastic guy.
For speakers. Yeah, nice. Let's see what's under that cover. Let me see what's under that cover. Look at that. Look at those seats. It's perfect interior seats. Look at those. Beautiful. Here it is, folks. I'll load it up. We got the frame to the house. And here's the body of the bed. Look, 92 extended cab Ranger. Gonna make a dope little race truck out of it. Probably a little drag, a little drift, a little, a little JDM inspired, a little muscle car inspired, a little bit of everything. She's gonna be awesome. You excited?
I'm more than excited, man.
This is it.
Hold on, let me pull back just a little bit.
Well, there she is in the yard, kind of half put together. This is going to be a sweet truck when she's done. We love square bodies around here. This one's meant a lot of appreciation to Quentin over here for gifting this to Aidan.
Because you see how that's sitting? That's right there. So it's in the back.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's
Look at this thing.
maybe the bed. Yeah.
Just a little bit of rust there in the battery tray, and that's about it. frame is beautiful. Inner fenders are beautiful. This needs to be pressure washed. It's literally been sitting in a barn for almost 17 years. So, this is wild. Look at it. Structure looks good. Frame looks good.
I'm sleeping right here tonight. That's the first time that body's been on that frame in like 15, 16 years.
You excited, bud?
Yeah, I'm gonna set up a sleeping bag right here. I'm gonna sleep right there.
You got a bed.
You got a bed.
That is so, you're so right.
You just go camping in the bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be a nice hot rod right here.
You know why it ain't running? Ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no goddamn gas. Somebody ran over that hood, man. I'm telling you. There's a tire mark right there.
Asshole.
Excuse me.
Yeah, that's real nice. It's just some mildew. These are the original seats. Broken vacuum. But just clean them up. They're just dirty. Just dirty. Got cobwebs all over them. They were sitting in a barn. Look at that. They're just dirty. These are beautiful. The armrest, as you can see, is a little crooked, and when it closes, it's a little cattywampus. So we gotta fix that. But yeah, she's nice.